Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, nice move up here, Bitcoin. It's briefly stopping just short of our 66.66 level, then retesting that key level. Sometimes why you want to leave those levels on, because many times they turn from resistance to support. Rising rotation zone holding above there. We can now update the levels. Next push up, if we can get a close above 67.68, we'll be watching for 68.68. I'll return to 6,900. I'm going to then go to the next major level, 7,029. You might want to go just shy, really, to 7,000. You got the declining 200 simple on there, which could be some pretty nice resistance. That's another area to either take profits or raise stops. And again, we have the rotation zone in our favor. So any rotation into this, here's the rotation zone right here. Any move into it with the rotation back up is an entry. Let's check in on the daily. So our daily, we're reaching up just to the 50 right now, just to highlight. So 68.20, watch out for that. It could be another area to raise stops. If we pull back, first major pullback area, let's look at this again with the 4 hour. First pullback area would be in the middle of the rotation zone, about 66.38. We don't want to see a close below 6,600. If we were, then the rotation entries are off, and I'd be watching for a pullback back to the 50 and about the 6,500 area. So that's what we're looking here. There's the 6,500, which was a lot of resistance you see in here, so that's going to be a very key support level. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum stopping pretty much at our 283 level, and I'll show you how that corresponded on the daily chart, because we had a declining 8 there. So I'm going to actually leave these levels on here for right now, so you can see on the daily chart. Why don't I just switch that now? Look at that, straight to the 8. That's why I say watch the 8, especially when it lines up with another level. Just poking right up there, and that's your key resistance area. So now we're pulling back a bit, holding now at the 62.5% retracement area again from this last move. So if we break through that, I'll be watching for major support coming in about 268 to 270 right in here. Let's go back to that 4 hour and see how that looks. So 268 to 270, you see all that support right in here and here. That's going to be key. The rotation zone is pretty much just flat now. It's not been able to get a separation and a hold on it. So just keep an eye out for that. If we do rally, we're still watching for this to separate, then start rotating back up. Here's the levels higher. Should we get that rotation back up, we'd be looking about 287 and then 290 for the levels back up. But this is not looking very strong. Again, it's having problems getting through the 8 on the daily, so we're still in very much cautious mode. Bitcoin's a lot stronger than Ethereum right now. So you can be a little more aggressive if you want on Bitcoin. Ethereum, you still have to be cautious of. There's not any real strong entries coming out of it yet. So we have for you, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.